Hi there, I just want to do a quick video showing you how to use the suction mount with our Roadkeeper video data logger. So in the back of the logger we've got a couple of rails here that our suction cup mount slides into. So engage the rails like this, slide up to lock it in place so it's nice and secure. And then to fix the suction cup onto your windscreen, here's my simulated windscreen, shiny desk. Press the suction cup against the windscreen, push down the center and flap the tab down into place. Now we're pretty solidly stuck onto the screen. If you can see, I'm holding the Roadkeeper, and as long as you don't lose the suction on the hair, if the glass is nice and clean and non-scratched, this will stay on there for days. You can adjust the angle of the camera on the screen with this adjustment screw here. Screw it tight and you should be good to go. And to remove the suction cup again, so you can see it's not coming off. To remove the suction cup, lift this tab, think, and grab the little rubber piece on the suction cup and it comes off. And there you go. Easy as that.